big trout. All right. Yeah. Let's see how big you are. Yeah. Well, there we go. There's one for the day. It's a 19, almost 19-inch trout. Nice. There, dude. Ooh, look at that dog. That is the smallest fish of the day. Hopefully. Well, you're small. Hey! I think you might make the cut, dude. You're gonna be really close. Short. I will throw you back. 15. You will make it, dudes. Big old lady. That's a big old ladyfish right there. That's a ladyfish. Whoa, that is nice right there. That is a nice one. Nice, chunky troutski. Nice one. I don't believe you're over 19. 18. Nice chunker trout. There we go. You know what? I may have found him. Alrighty. Let's see if I can catch another troutski. Maybe I found the secret spot. That's a big one. Nice trout. Oh yeah. There we go. Alrighty. Yep. There's 4. I knew I'd find you guys. Alrighty. Alrighty. So far, I've caught all my fish in right around 5 feet of water. So, I've had some people give me side eyes or wondering why I have this depth finder here, when most of the time I'm fishing in 3 to 5 feet of water. Well, today they're not in 3 feet. They're in the deepest, calmest spots that they can find. So as you can see there, I'm in about 5 feet of water, and on both sides of me is 3 feet. And I've caught most of my fish in the 5 feet area. So it pays off to have a little depth finder. You don't have to have nothing like this, and it helps me out a lot. And looky there. Oh, that's a big one. Whoa, looky there. Got it in 5 feet of water. Whew. Oh, there's a big Seatrout ski. Whew. Yep, 4.95 feet. See? Depth finder does pay off. Well, that'll be number 5 for today. The Limit O Seatrout. Come on. Alrighty. Let's see how big you are. Another 18-inch Seatrout right here. 18 inchers. Oh. Going in the ice. If you like it, hit the subscribe button. Alright. Well, there's my last Seatrout. I am going to spend the rest of the day goofing around. Maybe catch a redfish.